Does your scalp feel blah, itchy, or just not clean? How about a stimulating shampoo for your scalp? If you want to learn how to make this, I'll show you how. Hi, I'm Sherry, and this is Buddy, top dog of Lucky Dog Creations. Hello friends, today we're going to be doing a very easy DIY shampoo. It is a stimulating scalp shampoo. So let's get started, shall we? The ingredients that we need for this shampoo: distilled water or filtered water, but distilled water has no impurities. Castile soap, and it calls for unscented, but I'm going to be using the peppermint with the tea tree. Jojoba oil, peppermint essential oil, and tea tree oil. The first thing that you want to add is going to be 1/4 cup distilled water, 1/4 cup Castile soap. Now, homemade shampoos don't have any chemicals, so they don't lather as well. 1/2 teaspoon of jojoba oil, 1/8 teaspoon of peppermint essential oil. Peppermint's good for a cooling effect, so not only will it help stimulate your scalp, but it'll also kind of give it a cooling feeling. And 1/8 teaspoon of tea tree oil. And that's all the ingredients there are. You want to go ahead and gently mix it up. You don't want the Castile soap to lather up a lot before you put it in your bottle. Now, anytime you use essential oil, it's best to have glass or amber or cobalt blue bottles. But since these are actually going to be going into the shower, everything's going to be slippery, I don't recommend glass. So you want to put it in a flip top bottle, or you can put it in a foaming pump bottle. And I'm going to put mine in this because if it doesn't lather, if you want to go ahead and pump it up, you will get the foam. And then it will probably be able to wash your hair a lot better, at least in theory. So this makes only a 1/2 cup, which is 4 ounces of shampoo, which will fit into this bottle here. I believe this is an 8-ounce one, so I'm going to have to double the recipe on that. So I will actually go ahead and fill up the flip top bottle first, and then I'll make a double batch and put it in the pump so I can show you if it foams well or not. So I have my bottle with a funnel. And there you have it, stimulating shampoo. And I'll be right back after I make up the double batch. So I did a double batch, which is 1/2 cup of distilled water, 1/2 cup of Castile soap, 1 teaspoon of jojoba oil, 1/4 teaspoon peppermint oil, and 1/4 teaspoon tea tree oil. So I'm going to go ahead and just slightly stir it all up. Pour it in my mixing cup so it'll be easier to pour in the bottle. Take my lid off of my foaming put in my funnel and pour that in there. Now with foaming bottles, you don't want to pour them all the way up to the top. You got to have room for the little pump part. So you want to just check and see. I've got a little bit room. I might be able to get the whole thing in. If not, I'll make a mess. All right, there we have it. I will be back in a minute to see how well it pumps up. All right, you might want to give it a small shake to mix up the oils before you use it. And like I said, you can go ahead and do a flip top one. It'll be really thin, a lot thinner than normal shampoos, but it should lather a little bit. But if you want the foam, go ahead and put it in a foaming bottle. So let's just see if it does foam. I don't want to be lying to you. And there you have it. I think that would be a lot better than runny shampoo. I think this shampoo would be good for any hair that is stripped because of the chemicals in the shampoo, that have split ends, that is weighted down with oils or all of the gunk that you have put into your hair. So why don't you go ahead and give it a try and see what you think, and let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, please subscribe. Hit the bell so you can get notices of my future videos. I appreciate each and every one of you, whether you're a subscriber or just a viewer. Thumbs up, thumbs down, comments and suggestions are always welcome. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.